Good morning, students of class 10. In cyclic properties of a circle, exercise 4, question number 2D. In this question, this figure is given, and one triangle ADE is drawn. The sides of this triangle AE and DE intersect the circle at point B and C respectively, and these two sides of the triangle AE and DE meet at point E, subtending angle 40 degree. BC is joint. We are getting one more triangle BCE, in which BE equal to CE. So in the given information I wrote BE equal to CE and angle BEC equal to 40 degree. Solution. First I came in triangle BCE, in which BE equal to CE implies that if these two sides are equal, so from the isosceles property, these two angles CBE equal to BCE, because the opposite angles of equal sides are equal, so angle CBE equal to angle BCE, that I considered A. In triangle BCE, sum of these three angles equal to 180 degree. CBE plus BCE plus BEC equal to 180 degree. Reason is here, the sum of angles. So from above consideration, these two angles are equal and the value is A, that I have considered. So A plus this angle is given 40 degree. A plus 40 equal to 180 degree. 2A plus 40 equal to 180 degree. 2A equal to 180 minus 40 degree by the rule of transposition. So 2A equal to 140 degree. So A equal to 70 degree. So angle CBE equal to angle BCE equal to 70 degree. Now this value we got, BCE is 70 degree, and this X is the interior opposite angle of this triangle, of this angle. This is the exterior angle of this cyclic quadrilateral, and for this angle BAD, that is X, became the interior opposite angle. So I wrote angle BCE equal to angle BAD. Reason is exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So from this theorem we can say this 70 degree is equal to X, or X equal to 70 degree. We got the value of X. Now this angle we have, that is also 70 degree. From this angle we can find out angle ABC. For that we can write 180 degree minus CBE, 180 degree minus 70 degree, because CBE is also 70 degree, and we got angle ABC equal, this angle ABC equal to 110 degree. Now this is the interior opposite angle for this exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore y equal to angle ABC, exterior angle, is equal to interior opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral, that I have written in the reason. Exterior angle equal to interior opposite angle. So y equal to 110 degree. In this way we got two values, X equal to 70 degree and Y equal to 110 degree. These two are the answers. In question number 2F, this figure is given. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices of this quadrilateral lie on the circumference of the circle, and AC and BD, these two are the diagonals. Few informations are given. Angle CAD equal to 50 degree and angle ABD equal to 30 degree. angle ACD is X and angle ADC is Y. We are asked to find out these two values. So first I wrote angle ACD, this angle, and angle ABD, this angle. These two angles are in the same segment. I repeat, why are these two in same segment? This angle is subtended by these two chords AC and DC. So the starting point of these two chords became A and D. And this angle 30 degrees is subtended by these two chords AB and DB. So the starting points of these two chords became A and D. Since the starting point of these chords are common, that is A and D, therefore these two angles became in the same segment. This angle is X, ACD is X, that will be equal to angle ABD, X equal to 30 degree. Reason is angles in the same segment. Now we come in triangle ACD. To say sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So angle ACD plus angle CAD plus angle ADC equal to 180 degree, the sum of angles. ACD is X, the value of X is 30 degree, I wrote here. CAD is given 50 degree and ADC is Y, that is equal to 180 degree. 30 plus 50 equal to 80 degree plus Y equal to 180 degree. So Y equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree, Y equal to 100 degree. In this way we get the value of X and Y, X equal to 30 degree and Y equal to 100 degree. That is the answer.